everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-new character ezongena laphana ke uSibongile and the Dlamini's abathi ke izoshukumisa ke umnotho kanje ngaye. Guys, I don't know when it come to ukushukumisa ke umnotho kanje ngaye, ngibone ngazuthi nje it just into nje esheshiphele, because no Jabu, when they introduced his character on Sibongile and the Dlamini's, it was like ukhula zokwenza, but manje yabo sekudlulile futhi, so we don't know ukuthi ke lona kozayo uzohlala ke isikhathi esingakanani. Igama lakhe uSenzo wakaRadebe, uzodlala ke indawo kaPhakamani, bathi ke uzo expose ke he is unjengaye's nephew, the son of his brothers. He described as a tough and wild and the complete opposite of the Dlamini family's society lifestyle. He's on a mission to express this, which is tackling in an earthly necklace and strappy white vest. He enters the picture to expose the secrets of the Dlamini family, and he's the type that doesn't give up. uPhakamani will come face to face with Kwenzo and Njengaye, and guys, but he will strip all lies surrounding Njengaye's rise to power and his fortune. Asazi mhlawumbe kusamuntu Njengaye wethwele mhlawumbe wathwala ngomndeni ke ilasizozwa khona ke, bathi ke uzoqala ke ukuvela ngo-April 2025. Ukwenza noNjengaye have no clue that this is their fate, just as none of us know what uApril will be. And guys, so yeah, I don't know ukuthi amakhomenti akhathini ke ngalomdlali ke. What are your expectations? What do you want to see, or what do you wish to see unfolding in this story? Because there is no more secret, actually. There's no more secret. Enye into abantu beyisola babethi mhlawumbe uvusi ke akusiyo kanjengaye, but hayi wasengazi ukuthi akukho nje basifihlele khona emqubeni. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.